Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever run into the frustrating issue of Robinhood not letting you withdraw your hard-earned money, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through some straightforward steps to resolve this problem quickly and get your funds flowing again. Let's dive in. First off, why does this happen? Robinhood might block withdrawals for a few common reasons, like account verification issues, pending deposits or trades, security holds, or even regulatory restrictions. Don't worry. Most of these are easy to fix with a little troubleshooting. Step 1. Start by checking your account status. Log into the Robinhood app or website and look for any notifications, alerts, or messages in your dashboard. If there's an issue flagged, such as an unverified identity, address it right away. Make sure your profile is fully updated with accurate information. Step 2. Verify your identity if you haven't already. Robinhood requires this for security purposes. Go to the Settings or Security section, upload the necessary documents like your ID or a bank statement, and wait for approval. It usually takes just a few minutes to a couple of days. Step 3. Look for any holds on your funds. Check your transaction history for recent deposits, trades, or withdrawals that might be pending. Sometimes, you need to wait 3 to 5 business days for these to clear. If you see a hold, contact Robinhood support through the app's chat feature to get more details. Step 4. If the problem persists, try updating the Robinhood app or clearing your cache. Outdated apps can cause glitches, so head to your device's app store, update if needed, and restart the app. Also, ensure you're using a secure internet connection. Finally, if nothing works, reach out to Robinhood's customer support directly. They have a helpful team that can investigate specific issues tied to your account. Remember, staying calm and providing all the details will speed things up. There you have it. Simple steps to fix that withdrawal block and get back to managing your investments. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.